When there's a chase here. Okay, I remember that last video where I was reviewing Optimus Prime and Ratchet. So here's Ratchet, and I remember I said this is not Ratchet's real head, but it's two of my cousins named Dusty and Mason thought. One of my cousins named Dusty thought it was his head. Here's Ratchet in his robot mode. And then I'm just going to transform it. So first you do is you got to take his feet to the back, take this and then flip that like that. Then same as on the other leg as the first leg. Then you take these two, snap them together, then you twist the legs around, and then you got take this. Actually, this is so dumpy. Actually, I'm gonna redo Ratchet, and then take this. Yeah. Chip that. And then I'm just gonna keep tabbing it in. And then I'm gonna take this. You gotta push it down a minute and then just tab it in like that. Then take this. You do the same thing as the other side. Now I'm gonna show you. Okay, you take this. You push it down like that, and you take it, tab it in like that, and then you take the ends, put them up like that, and then take this, push that down. This project is so hard to transform. Then you take the fist, you take that out, take the same thing as the first fist, and then you put the fist together like that, and then you take Ratchet and then do that. And there you have Ratchet in his vehicle mode. It is really hard to transform, and he doesn't have a tie. The toy doesn't come without it. This tire right here, I just broke the tire off. And that's it for today. I'm gonna do this real quick. Here's the front, here's the side, here is the back, here's the side. Here's the other side, and here's the top, and here is the bottom. Okay, that's it for today, so bye.